We focus on medical device products, we do consumer products, tier 2 automotive products, and consumer electronics. We've got a very high mix offering. So we had some aging equipment and we were looking for a robotic solution that would not only work with the old system, what would work with the newer technologies and safety functions of any new equipment that we were bringing in as well. Yushin provides a safe working envelope, and this application was perfect for that because we're dealing with a 22 to 2,700 ton machine, and the last thing we want to do is be wrecking a robot into it, especially with these molds. I mean, our molds are $600,000 or better to replace these molds. We want reliability and safety.
We have quite a few other robots in the facility that are kind of complex, hard to learn, but the Yushin robots is really easy for anyone to pick up. Have to put in another mold, another job. It's all just touch up the points as far as the pick position and all the transitional positions onto when you drop the part on the conveyor belt.
It's a very tight envelope that we're working with here. We've got two robots that have to communicate together to make sure that they don't crash into each other. It worked out really well having Yushin here to be able to see it on site, in person, and offer support.
Service-wise, we couldn't ask for more help from you guys. We really appreciated all the help, fast response time.
And even remote support as well. Yushin was very instrumental in being able to offer us support even without having to be on site. We relied on Yushin for their support and then also for their experience as well.
We had no issues whatsoever with the Yushin robot.
Relative to the equipment that the Yushin robot replaced, we definitely noticed cycle time improvements. The Yushin robots do run quite a bit faster, and they can also do multiple movements at the same time instead of being sequenced. So that was a huge improvement over the old system. I'm
sure there's lots of different options out there, but Yushin is a good, versatile robot to pick.
Once they're set up, they're good to go. You guys have been very instrumental in helping us understand and also taking some of the burden off of us as well to be able to make us successful in this field.